Questa Project 2014. Our group is doing Experiment B. The objective of this experiment is to determine the dyes that make up the colors of the coatings on M&M's candies and Skittles candies. What is paper chromatography? Paper chromatography is a separation technique of using a solvent to separate a mixture into its components. It is also used to determine the purity of a sample. A pure substance gives only one spot on a chromatogram. It will be a mixture if there are more than one spot on the chromatogram. The apparatus and chemicals used for this experiment are M&M's and Skittles candy, boiling tubes, wooden splint, and chromatography paper.
The procedure for this experiment is: Step 1. 1 M&M's and Skittles candy of the same color were placed into two 50 ml beakers respectively. Step 2. A few drops of water were added onto the candies and were given just enough time to dissolve only the color coating. Step 3. Along one edge of the two papers, about 2 cm from the edge, a straight pencil line was drawn. That line represents the start line. Step 4. In the middle of the start line, a pencil cross was drawn. Step 5. A small drop of color coating of M&M's and Skittles candy was placed on the cross of the two papers respectively by using the wooden splint. Step 6. Water was added into two boiling tubes to a depth which was below the start line. Step 7. The papers that had the drops of color coating was placed into the boiling tubes and was suspended in the water. Step 8. The experiment was repeated with another two colors of M&M's and Skittles candies. Step 9. When the food coloring had separated well enough on the paper, the chromatogram was removed. Step 10. The chromatogram was left to dry, then the chromatogram was examined. These are the results of the experiment. This is the pictures of the experiments, and these are the results of the pictures of the results.
In discussion, from the table showing the results of different color coating of M&M's and Skittles candies, we observed that when the food coloring was given time to separate, the color of the drop of coloring started to fade. The color could not be seen clearly. When we compared the results of the same color coating of M&M's and Skittles candies, we also found that M&M's had both pure and mixture. The Skittles had the same results. The substance on both candies seemed to have the same color coating. In conclusion, the dyes that make up the color coating M&M and Skittles for red is pure. Green is a mixture of yellow and green, and the orange is pure. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much. The group members are Qurratu Aini Binte Kamal, Swam Htet Tun, Run Xuan, Teo Jun Shen, and Kuah Yu Xuan. Thank you.